Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Robinhood chain to MetaMask. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on robinhood.com/chain. You can search for Robinhood chain and then you are going to see this type of first link. So you need to click on that. Now over here, you need to simply select the option of start building. Then it is going to redirect you here inside these particular documents. Now over here you just have to select the option of add network to your wallet, and here you are going to see the option of mainnet and testnet. So you need to select the option of mainnet, and among these you are going to see MetaMask as one of these. So you need to simply select the option of MetaMask, and you need to make sure that the MetaMask extension is already added inside your web browser. So over here select your account and then tap on the option of connect. Now as soon as you do this, you will be able to easily add Robinhood chain to MetaMask. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.